with Altech Corporation out of Flemington, New Jersey, one of your #1 sources for automation and control components. I'm here to talk about one of our products, the C-TEC DC UPS system by Schneider. They're one of our suppliers based out of Offenburg, Germany. They have been working in this field for a number of decades, and I'm here to tell you all about it. As you may know, a DC UPS system is basically a battery or powered backup for any of your critical load components. So in the case of a line down situation, or if there's any power issues or brownout situations and you need to ensure that critical components can do controlled shutdown or have backup power, this is the product for you. Unlike most DC UPS systems, this is powered by capacitors. So unlike lead acid batteries, it's an online system. There's zero changeover and has a seamless charge and discharge. Because they're capacitors, it doesn't need any oxygen, doesn't need any airflow, and it can operate down to extreme temperatures, both on the hot side and the cold side. In some cases down to -30 Celsius and as high as 110 on the Celsius side. The interesting thing about the DC UPS system is that it has a long lifespan, so it can be, in optimal conditions, it can last up to 20 years, depending on how many cycles you go through the charge and the discharge. And obviously, if you operate in the, I guess you could say, the ambient core, optimal conditions, it'll last quite a long time. So whether you're just trying to do controlled shutdown, you're in a brownout situation, or you just need to make sure that you have a buffer to maintain your critical load operations or critical shutdowns, the ultra-capacitor-based DC UPS system with online capabilities is the product for you.
This is László Georgeport, product manager at Altech Corporation. We are exhibiting at the MD&M show in Anaheim today, and we are showcasing our product. One of the pieces, it's this enclosure, where we show all the products, how they are used. Most of our products are DIN rail mountable. They are mounted on a DIN rail. So Altech Corporation has many power supplies, fuse holders, circuit breakers, disconnect switches, timers, relays, electronic components, relays, temperature devices, terminal blocks, more terminal blocks, safety relays, DC UPSs, contactors, and many other products. So this enclosure basically shows how they can be assembled together. So the other product what we are using is a panel-mounted components, for example, push buttons or cord grips. In the push buttons we have 22mm and 30mm push buttons in many different variations, metal, plastic. We sell many accessories to this. E-stops, cord grips for wire entry to enclosures, or then we also sell foot switches, for example, or safety switches, disconnect switches. But the top of the enclosure is basically the panel-mounted version. The other one is surface-mounted version of our components.